All right, luxury home tour for you guys today. We are out in Bixby at this fabulous luxury home. Currently, at the time of this video, it is $850,000. It's a 5-bedroom, I'm trying to read the sheet here. 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage, and it's over 5,400 square feet. It is literally a haven of luxury living. I mean, look at the size of this house. Absolutely massive. We're in River's Edge, so obviously, like I said, it's in Bixby. If you're not familiar where that is, it is just south and a little bit, well, this specific section is just basically south of Tulsa. So you're not quite across the Arkansas River, but you're right close by it. So really great house. Before we get into it too far, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Hensey. I run the Top Back Connections real estate team with Keller Williams, serving Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So if you're looking to make a move to Oklahoma, I would love to help you out with that, whether it is now or in the future. And of course, if you like home tours like this, as well as other real estate content, tips, tricks, and lifestyle in Oklahoma, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. And let's go check out this fabulous house. All right. So firstly, what I love is this absolutely stunning, super tall archway into the foyer here. Gigantic sconces. Really nice. I like the kind of lighter colors. Gives it that good look. I mean, this neighborhood does offer a pretty good variety. I mean, you got some stucco over there, red brick. This one's more of a tan. And check out this door, you guys. And yes, it is as heavy as it looks. So, right inside here, in the foyer, you have these gorgeous hardwood floors. Huge light fixture there. You have an office in the front, which could double as a bedroom if you want. Obviously, the sellers are into photography, so this is staged as a photo area, but really great. You do also have the glass double doors there, which is nice. Here is your formal dining, which is currently just a piano room, but you do have that option. You do have a hall closet right here, which is great. Coat closet. And then you have this gorgeous rock or stone fireplace. Living, love the windows or the sliding doors into the backyard there. We'll check that out. Gorgeous kitchen. You guys can talk. Don't be weird. Dining space. And the biggest island of your dreams right here. Got all a huge farm sink with the under mounting. You've got a gas range with the pot filler. All your essentials. And then over here is probably the biggest pantry you've ever seen in your life. So you have, this is kind of like an office nook, drop zone area. You have more storage and cabinet space. And look at this pantry. There's actually 2 pantries. So there's this one. And then you have these other 2 drop zones here. And then another pantry. So this was converted. This was kind of more of a like a closet coat rack area because there's actually a coat rack right behind here. But the sellers were into canning, so they needed more space. So you have another pantry. Head around this way. So right off that dining area is the ensuite, mother-in-law, whatever you want to call it. Huge room. So if you have elderly parents that are living with you, this would be great for them. It has its own private bath and closet, which is pretty fabulous. I mean, look at the size of this closet. Not even the master closet. It is just the ensuite. So it's pretty great. Let's head around. I think I'll go outside. I don't usually do that so quick, but let's do that. So outside you have loads of entertaining space. You have this huge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-person seating area. So loads of space. You do have an outdoor grill, cooking station, the mini fridge right there. You do also have another set of double doors that goes right into the kitchen area. So in the summertime, you could have that open and have a whole indoor-outdoor kitchen setup could be really fun. Massive yard. I don't know the exact size of this lot, so I don't want to misquote. Now, obviously, all of that out there will eventually be homes, so don't buy this home thinking there's not going to be anything there, because eventually there will be. But still a really, really nice size yard. You do have can lights in the ceiling as well. And let's head on in and check out the primary bedroom or the master bedroom. So right off of the living area is going to bring you to the primary bedroom. You do have those hardwood floors continued throughout, which is a really amazing feature. Super tall ceilings in here, which is great. And then you have double doors into that gorgeous master bath. You do have a herringbone pattern on the floor with those oversized tiles, a gorgeous tub. Oh my goodness. The toilet situation, and then you have almost 3 vanities, 2 sinks, 3 vanities, I would call that. Love the kind of marble look. I think this is just granite, but it has a marble look to it, which is great. You do have really nice shower there. And this has the snooze feature, so it goes right into the laundry room. But before we get over there, you have this massive closet. Loads of space there. And then here is your utility room. Loads of counter space. You do have a pocket door right here with more storage. Amazing. So let's head upstairs. There's a half bath here, just so you know. And the upstairs is going to be on the other side of the room. So upstairs, there's some pretty cool features. So there is an option to have even more square footage, and I'll show you that right here at the top of the stairs. So here is the landing, and then in here, this could easily be converted. So the original goal was to build like a golf simulator. Obviously, it's just being used as storage right now, but this could easily add, you know, a couple hundred square feet, maybe 300 square feet. It's a pretty big room. So easily get more square footage. Sorry, stairs. Trying to catch my breath. So over here is going to be what they're being used as they're using it as a sewing room, craft room, but it's a bedroom. Good size room. That's I believe a closet, but I don't have the pin for that door, so I can't show you that, but it's just a closet. And then we have a Pullman bath connecting. Love this glass bowl sink. And then you've got a really substantial bath and shower area. It's pretty great. It also has a pocket door. I know some people are like, oh my God, pocket doors. So, really cool. And here's the other bedroom. I like the gray and white. And then here's the closet, which I assume is probably very similar to the other one. Huge closet. And then over here, back through the landing will be the other bedroom. Huge room. I mean, like, this is the size of most master bedrooms, but this is a kid's bedroom. But you could use it as a second master if you needed. Loads of closet space. It's a walk-in closet both ways. Pretty great. And then this bedroom does have its own private bath, which is a pretty sweet deal. So I love those. Is that a hexagon? Hexagon patterns down there. You do have 2 vanities in here. So again, this is technically would be a second master suite, but you do have a master bedroom downstairs. So pretty cool house. I like it. It's massive. So As always, let me know what you think about this house in the comments. I always love to give feedback to the seller of what people think of their home. Of course, like I said before at the beginning, if you like home tours like this, be sure to subscribe for more. Like this video, it really helps me out, and I will see you in the next one.